Okay everyone, I'm standing on top of Mount Veridian. Wanted to give a quick site construction update. You can see we have roads. So this is Sky Forest Lane. Out this way, this is Veridian Circle headed out to Platte to orient you. So Veridian Circle comes around this way. This is Greenway Trail. You can see the basements of the first homes that will be built. We are set to start framing imminently, which is awesome. We have building permits, very exciting. Then we have the continuous Greenway Trail, and then Fiona My Way right up there. Another big thing that we have been working on is our plaza area for the farmhouse. So that is this area right about here that is going to get eco raster put into it, hopefully today. And we're going to start using that area for some community events this fall. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, this is the site's looking beautiful. It's a beautiful day in Ann Arbor. And we'll be back next week with some updates on framing. Bye guys.